Yo, what up? What up? How everybody doing this morning? What's going on, y'all? What's up, family? TTP, we in the building. Amsterdam, what's going on? What's going on? Welcome to the live. Welcome to another Take Profit Tuesday YouTube live stream with your boy J Wang. Philly, what's going on? Florida. California, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Hey, y'all. Hey, real quick, before we get into it, we got some good trade setups happening. All right, Somalia, Texas. Texas is my home. I can't wait to move there. London, let's go. Canada, let's go. Hey, we got some trade setups, guys, and we about to take them real quick. So get ready, team. We're gonna try to make this money this morning. And welcome to Take Profit Tuesday. Let's get it.
You got any more of those pips, Jay Wayne? We trying to get paid. It's Take Profit Tuesday.
Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good? All right, so we got GBP. We got GBP odd on the screen. No, GBPJPY. JPY. Yep. So let's take a look at that. Hey, hold your questions for now, okay? Hold your questions for now. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do that segment next. Shout out to New York. What's going on? Yeah. So all the GBP pairs, they are definitely bullish. All right. Look at that. Check that out. The GB pairs are definitely bullish. All right. So what do we do with that? Definitely got to mark up that channel. We definitely got to mark up that channel. All my new people, as soon as you see something like this, don't ignore it. Don't ignore it. Mark up that channel. You see that? Now look, team, I'm not a swing trader. I'm a day trader and a little bit of a scalper, all right? A little bit of a scalper. So I'm not looking to hold these trades forever. I'm looking to get in and get out. Y'all with me? So we mark that up. This is what you do every single time. You mark that channel up. You can't ignore that. Put it on a 4-hour. That's what it looked like on a 4-hour. You see that? That's what it's looking like on a 4-hour. And just like how you marked it up over here, what happened? What happened when you mark that bullish channel? That this is a bearish channel right here. What happened when you mark this bearish channel up? All right. It broke out. So that's what we expecting. That's exactly what we expecting here. This is easy. This is easy. This is gonna be an easy trade, guys. We can stop the live stream now. This is gonna be easy. Every single time. We don't get a lot of these easy trades. Look how beautiful that is. You see that? Easy money. We try to make trading real easy. We try to make trading real simple. Real simple. So hold your questions, because we can take questions in a minute on the next segment. But right now, we trying to go over the trade setups. And there's no news. There's no news right now. So we safe to trade, because I don't trade news, team. Over and over. Look at these channels. All right, so we in another channel. All right, how was that? Is the chat covering me now? Yeah, all the GBP pairs are going to be the same. All of them is pretty much going to be looking the same. So that's the 4-hour chart. Now, so basically, for everybody that think that you can just sit down on a 15-minute chart, on a 5-minute chart, shouldn't you be on a higher time frame, understanding what's going on? Right? You want to know the higher time frame. Do not be sitting on these lower time frames on a 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. But since we got this thing marked up, now we can sit on a 15-minute chart. We can sit on a 15-minute chart now. But what if you didn't have this marked up? If you didn't have this marked up, you wouldn't know what's going on. But now that we got it marked up from the higher time frames, from the daily and the 4-hour, now we can sit on a 15-minute chart. Everything makes sense. I'm not lost in the sauce. I'm no longer lost in the sauce now. Yeah, my mouse is not visible. I have to make the chart white. You want me to make the chart white for you to see my mouse? Y'all like that? My chart, yeah. You see what I'm saying? So which one you want me to do? You want me to do a black chart or a white chart? Because it's too bright. Hey, look. Everybody trying to sleep. Ain't nobody trying to look at no white screen. Hey, we have sleep. We ain't trying to look at no white screen. Man, I almost blinded y'all. Hey, somebody said do a gray chart. That gray is, I can't make no money with no gray chart. I'm sorry. That gray chart, No, I can't. I'm gonna lose my money with this great chart. All right, so we're gonna stick with the we're gonna stick with the black chart. I don't know how to fix my mouse cursor. It's black. You can't see it. Sorry. All right, so we just being patient right now. So I want to tell you the trade setups. Once you black, you can't go back. Yeah, so that's what we looking for on GBPJPY. We got this channel right here. All right, so what all my beginners on here, all I want you to see is go to the higher time frame and mark these channels up, and that gives you a reference. Okay, that's all I'm trying to say. You know, look at the higher time frames. It's going to give you a reference. All right. And then now once you're done with that, you can come down to a lower time frame if you need to and wait for your entries. Now I want to say sell. Well, first of all, trade at your own risk, team. Trade at your own risk. I'm not on here trying to tell anybody to buy or sell, but I'm looking to, me personally, I want to sell the GBP, but I don't want to rush it. You feel me? I don't want to rush it. Because if I rush it, it might come down here and bounce back up. So I don't want to rush it. I got to wait for my confirmations. You know, can bounce down here and bounce straight back up to the top zone. So we got to be careful. We got to be patient. All right. So I'm looking to take 15 pips though. I want to take 15 pips. Well, I'll take the sell if it break the trend line. Now today, the indicator that I'm focusing on today is going to be the Martin Stochastic. I'm focusing on the Martin Stochastic today. And the Martin trend line color change. So let's take a I'm about to get ready to take a sale on GBP odd. I'm about to get into a sale on GBP odd. Let's take a look at that. If it breaks this level, I'm getting in. The level that I'm looking at on GBP odd. I'm thinking about my entry being, let me mark it up for you guys. Can you guys see? Everything is good? Let me know if you can't see. My entry is like right up in here. The reason why there is because it's a minor zone. It's a minor zone, and I'm looking at it's breaking the 50 moving average. So I just need a little bit more confirmation. I'm waiting on this MACD. It's not a resistance level. Yeah, yes, it is. All of this is consolidation. You see all of this nasty stuff? Like all of this is consolidation. Like Like all of this is consolidation. But that's why I'm only looking for about 15, 20 pips. If it goes more, it goes more. Minimum. I'm just day trading. Say, am I scalping? I'm not necessarily. If I was scalping, I would be pulling up more indicators. I'll be on a 5-minute. If I was scalping, it'll look like this. If I was scalping, let me show you what scalping look like. If I was scalping, I'd be okay on a 5-minute chart. I'll pull up some Bollinger Bands. All right, I'll pull up some Bollinger Bands or something like that, and I'll be trying to take each candle. Green Dreams, what up? If I was scalping, I'd be like, oh, let's buy right here. Let's buy for 3 pips. Let's buy for 5 pips. I'm not scalping. I'm day trading. All right. So I'd be like, okay, let's buy right here or something. You know, I'm not doing that. I'm waiting for bigger moves to happen. I'm waiting for bigger moves. All right? I'm waiting for bigger moves. I'm not really scalping. How do I work on my patience? I mean, I basically just tired of losing. Tired of jumping in too early and losing my money. When you get tired of losing your money jumping in too early, then you will start having more patience. Trust me. I can't type nothing in the chat. If I do all of that, if I'm typing entries in chats, I'm not focused. But I can tell you, I got a possible entry, okay? Trade at your own risk, a possible entry. All right? 88534. 1.88534. That is the level I'm looking at for GBP odd. All right, let's go back over to GBPJPY. No, never smoke and trade, Ivan. You know better than that. Not taking questions yet. Hold the questions. We're gonna get to it. For GBPJPY, I gotta make sure everybody is clear. I'm looking at a possible entry. A possible entry for a sale around 140.658. All right. Right there. So mark your charts up. So now, hold on one second. All right, so this is my, so like, let's say we break the trend line and we break this structure here. I'm looking for a sell. You see what I'm saying, Ivan? Yeah. All day. Pay attention. Yeah, we could easily get 20, 30 pips if it breaks this area. If it breaks this level right here, we could easily get 20, 30 pips right there. I'm gonna mark it white. Can y'all see that? When I mark it white, can you see that now? You can see the white numbers. Can you see that? All right, cool. So that's the area I'm looking for my sale right there. So mark that up. So make sure you write that down on your chart so we can move forward, because I'm gonna start taking questions and training. I want to start training. So, yep. Now, so that's what we're looking for. I don't want to have a bias. All right, I don't want to have a bias to where I'm like, I just want the trade. I just need the sale. I need the sale to happen. I don't want to be like that, but that's what I'm really leaning towards, because look at the 4-hour chart. If you look at this 4-hour chart, I mean, look how steep that channel is. Look how steep that channel is. That bullish channel. Man, I just feel like it's gonna break. I just feel like it's gonna break that channel for me to catch about 15, 30 pips. If you asking me questions right now, I'm gonna miss them. So you're gonna have to ask me later. I'm not taking questions right now. I gotta make sure we understand these setups. So you're gonna have to retype your question in. Okay? Because I'm not answering the questions right now, really. But I am gonna answer the questions. I am gonna answer. But the questions is gonna throw me off. So let me focus on the trade setups right now. We gotta make this money right. Yep, so that's what I'm saying. Now look at this 4-hour candle. Look at how it's running out of steam. Let me take off this indicator. This is the Martin trend line candles. All of that, if you want the indicators and all of that stuff is in the description. But like, all right, so this is what I'm reading. Price is shooting up, but it's running out of steam. Now it could easily still go up, but I'm just looking at how it's running out of steam. That's all I'm saying. Now I'm gonna be ready either way. So I'm gonna be ready either way. One second, y'all. Let me check something right quick. Somebody said the 5-minute charts is selling. I don't care about no 5-minute charts. That's scalping. I just said that. That's scalping. If y'all scalping, go ahead. I'm not scalping. I'm not messing with no scalping. Go ahead. London, 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 keep them trades coming. London, 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 keep them trades coming. All right, y'all. Let me check. Let me check my sources right quick. Hold on. All right, y'all. Oh man, I want to pull this trigger. I want to pull the trigger on a sale. I gotta be patient. Oh my God. I gotta stick to the plan. Oh, and it's past 2 o'clock? Ooh. I'm about to take the sell on that now. I'm about to pull the trigger. But what? Oh my God. Hold on. Right up in there. Yep. Hey, if it break through this trend line, I'm out of here. That's all I got to say. Patience, patience, patience. London. Jay, just wait, bro. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, it's about to be time, y'all. We about to get it. We about to get it. Oh my God. Let's get this money. Let's take the sale, baby. I'm taking the sale. Let's go. Give me 15 pips. I just want 15. 15 to change my life. Basically, 15 is at the bottom of that zone. Let me check the 1 hour chart. Let me check the 1 hour chart first. Hold on. Ooh. The 1 hour. Man, that thing could easy. Ooh. Man, we got to be careful with this. This is where you can eat. Ooh. Hold on. Let me focus, y'all. Mmm. 1 hour chart closing underneath the Bollinger Band. The middle Bollinger Band. Oh yeah, Francis, we definitely doing live. We got London on the track. All right, y'all. Let's get up in this sale. Trade at your own risk. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm finna jump in here for 15 pips. Let's go. Trade at your own risk. We in there, baby. We in there. Let's go. Come on and drop for us now. It's ride or die. It's ride or die now. Ain't no turning back now. Come on and give me 15 pips. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Pay daddy. Now let me chill out. Let me chill out. All right, so let me see. Let me look at the confirmation. We got JPY strong. Ooh, yes. I think the next few candles is about to drop. I think the next few candles is about to drop. And I don't care how far it drops. I just want 15, 20 pips. I'm taking the breakout. See, when I take the breakout, I'm only looking for about 15, 20 pips. I'm still gonna wait. I'm still gonna monitor it. KJ. I'm still gonna monitor it for the break and the retest. I'm just looking for about 15, 20 pips. 15 pips is about, hold on. 15 pips is from entry about right there. Hey, pass. Yeah. Put the stop loss 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. 1-to-1. And yeah, it still might go up. But I'm looking for about 15, somewhere up in here. Some kind of movement up in here I'm looking to take. Just know it. Hey, Jordan, tell him, Jordan. Hey, Jordan said, y'all want to know my lot? Just know it's 15 pips. Man, why y'all want to know my lot sizes? Lot sizes do not matter. Trade at your own risk. All right. Now, all in my pockets though. All in my pockets. I'm just trying to find the right trade. I'm just trying to find the right trade to take. All right, let me go look at the iMarkets Live Harmonic scanner. Let me go do that right quick. All right. So 1 second. I'm still monitoring the charts. I got my other screen over here, okay? So don't worry. But let me pull up the Harmonic scanner. We was looking at GBPJPY. Gold look like it's about to drop too. Yeah, gold look like it's about to drop. All right, team, look at this. This is the iMarkets Live Harmonic scanner. And it got GBPJPY up here. What a coincidence, on a 15-minute chart. Now, it got it as a bullish pattern. All right, you see it got it as a bullish pattern right here. The entry is down here. Yeah, so Yeah, so Woo too. So they got it going up on the GBP bat, on the bat pattern, on a harmonic scanner. And that's just because it's a bullish, like it's got a bat pattern in here, but the trend is up. So I use this as confirmation. This is a good tool to use. Real good tool to use. But this is a 15-minute chart too. Mary Jeans. It's just a 15-minute chart. So that's only like 9 pips. TP1 is only 9 pips. That's nothing. So I just like to use that as confirmation. So, you know what I'm saying? So if I'm looking at a trade setup and I think it's going something, I like to check the harmonic scanner to kind of use that as a confirmation. I love to do that. All right, so let me go back. Let's look at GBP NZD. This is shark pattern. I hate these shark patterns because they got 2 entries. It definitely loves to go back down and test that second entry. EuroCAD. Let's see here. Entry. Boom. GBP CAD. All right, so let's go back to our charts. All right, so we basically still sitting in the same spot. Let's look at real quick. Let's look at GBP odd. GBP odd. Let's see, where is it at? Let's see. And this is GBP odd, another trade I wanted to get into. All right, so let me see here. All right, so GBP odd, I'm looking at entries at this level. This is my sell zone right here. Everybody see that? Yeah, GA not ready yet. We have a more stronger chance with GJ. We have a more stronger chance with GJ, if anything. So I think I'm gonna put my focus. I think I'm gonna put my focus on GJ. What y'all think about that? I think I'm gonna put. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put my focus on GJ. Oh yeah, so gold. Let's look at gold real quick. Yeah, let's keep our focus on GJ because I think that's gonna move this morning more than anything. With gold, you know what I like with gold? I'm thinking about this thing pulling back up into structure to drop. I really think this thing is about to drop off because it's been selling. So I really think that it might hit the 50 moving average and drop. Pay attention to gold on this boy. Like it might come back around into this structure right here. Right up in here to just drop. Y'all see what I'm saying about that? Yeah. And that's what I like about gold. it got nice movements of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Like it moved with structure so good a lot of the times. You feel me? So that's what I'm looking at with that. So watch. That's why I keep that 50 moving average, because look how price respects. It definitely respects the 50 moving average. Good morning, everybody that's hopping on. So that's what I'm looking at with gold. So if you wanna copy that, you could do that. But the main thing that I'm looking at is GBPJPY. All right. So if you have any questions about training, we can take that. We can take training on questions on training if you want, because we pretty much know what we're looking for. Shout out to Nigeria. I will be coming to Africa soon. I definitely will become Africa soon. Yeah, Mary Jeans. Yep. Set up that gold. I definitely think that gold going to take off for another drop. And I just want to monitor this GBPJPY. If it now, here's the thing. Really, the Martin Stochastic got it for a buy coming up. You see the background? Let's pay attention to this Martin Stochastic. The Martin Stochastic got it green background. I said today we're gonna focus on this indicator, and it got it as a green background, meaning that it's the trend. And the reason why it's green is because the trend is up. The trend is up on GBP. It's in a bullish trend. So that's why it's going up. And typically what you want to see is when it's down here, it becomes oversold, and then you can buy again coming up from the bottom. That's what you're looking for. So we have to be careful that if this GBP JPY don't take off soon, we need to be careful because it might be shooting up off of this trend line. And don't forget, this trend line comes from the higher time frame. This trend line comes from the higher time frame. Now look, do you see this trend line right here? Let me zero in for y'all. Can y'all see this green line coming through here with these dots? It basically looked like this. Can y'all see that trend line right there? Y'all see that green trend line? So if we break that trend line, I'm hopping in the buy all day. So let me just put that right there. But it's the Martin auto trend line. The auto trend line. You can take it off and on. You see it popping off and on? So the thing of it is that you just want to be ready. You just want to be ready either way. So for now, I'm still looking at the sell right now. Shout out to Jamaica. Do I still use the currency strength indicator? No, I don't use the currency strength indicator anymore. I use the currency heat wave. I use the currency heat wave. I'm staying on here. I'm gonna keep the charts up. If I gotta step away, the charts will still be up. We're gonna monitor this together. All right. Win or lose, we're gonna monitor this together. All right. So if I got to step away, get something to drink or something like that, I'm going to leave the charts up for everybody. And I still got the Harmonic scanner up too. So you can see how all this works together. I do use the sentiment section. He say I'm already drinking a rock star. Chill. Yeah. I do use the sentiment section for the currency heat wave. But mostly, let me show you guys what I usually use. What I usually use on the currency heat wave is this. I usually use the strength. Let me see. The strength section. You see the strength? I usually use the strength. This is what I use. This is really all I need, because I don't use this I don't use this as me finding trades. I just use this as a confirmation. That's all I use this for. All right? So, I just use the strength. All right, it's breaking our trend lines, trying to break the trend line. Come on, baby, break the trend line. You can do it. Let me see. Look at what doji, Mary Jeans. What doji? What doji are you talking about? On what time frame? On Harmonic? Let me see. You talking about that blue bar? Mary, you talking about the blue bar on the Harmonic scanner? Yeah, they call that a hammer. They don't say that. That's not a doji. It's not a doji candle. This is a doji candle. How it's looking like a little T. That's a doji candle. But it's not closed yet. That's more of a hammer. Yeah. So we just being patient, team. I'm here. I'm opening up the chat for questions. Shout out to Whitney just jumping on. Definitely subscribe. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your team. They can ask questions, whatever. What I find is that a lot of teams don't have mentors. You know, a lot of teams don't have mentors. So if you have them come on to this live, and I can help teach them. They can ask questions. I'm here to help the whole team. Let's share the wealth. Let's share the wealth. So definitely, let's go, baby. Come on. If you want me to check a chart, just go ahead and donate to the super chat, and I'll be happy to check the chart. We halfway to TP, y'all. There we go, TP. Come on, baby. Come on. We trying to get paid. No, I have a strategy that I use to take the breakout. I have a strategy that I use. I have confirmations. So when those confirmations are met, I go in. I'd rather mark the chart up using supply and demand zones. Jesus. Um I'd rather mark the chart up with supply and demand zones. Supply and demand zones are stronger than TP levels. I mean, not TP levels, but support and resistance levels. Supply and demand zones are stronger than support and resistance levels. But why can't we have both? You feel me? Why not have both? We can have both. So don't just mark up one, mark up both. Why not, right? I do both. Yeah, that's right, Ivan. Do both. Why not? And see, look at that. Let's go. Also, team, real quick. Let me address everybody real quick. Um um all right, real quick. If you have your charts marked up, if you have a trade set up and you want me to critique it, then on TradingView, you can screenshot it. You can copy the URL and you can post it into the chat, and then I will bring it up and check it for you and say, okay, I would have tweaked this area. I wouldn't have done this. I wouldn't have done that. If y'all like something like that, we can have a whole live stream just to like critique your trade setups, your support and resistance levels. We can do a live stream like that. We can have a segment right here where you send in your screenshots and I can critique them, So that's just something that I'm thinking about off the dome. So just let me know if y'all interested in that, cuz I'm here trying to help you guys get better. So all right, so we got a question talking about when making trades, how do you determine your stop loss and take profit? So basically the rule of thumb is this. The rule of thumb is shout out to Dot Brax for the super chat. I'm going to look at BTC USD for him. So basically, you always want to put the stop loss above the structure, though. TP1, you got a TP2. Ultimately, you're looking for something like back down into the structure here. So that'd be a take profit 2. I like to get in and get out. All right, that's how I win so much. That's how I grew my account. All right, so you looking at something like a stop loss above the structure and your TP level back into structure down here. So is that helping you a little bit? We almost to our take profit, but do you see this structure level? You see this high? That's where your stop loss is going to want to be. You got to put your stop loss where the market tells you to put the stop loss. All right. And that's a 1-to-1 right here. About right up in, hold on. 1-to-1. Right up in here somewhere. That's like a 1-to-1. So the red area, the red shaded area is my stop loss area. This is my risk area. Actually, the entry level is right here. Stop loss is going to be above this structure right here. And that's how you determine your stop loss. Put it above the structure. Now let me go over here to BTC USD. BTC USD. For Dot Brax. Appreciate the super chat donation. What we looking at? What's the question? What you want me to you just want me to pull it up? You want me to examine something? Where do I see it going? BTC USD. Now I'm not really a crypto trader, but it still follows structure. It still follows structure. So how would I play this? I got you. How would I play this one? Let me go to the higher time frames. Always go to the higher time frames. Take off all your indicators. Take off all the indicators. When you're trying to find your trade setup, no indicators must be present. Just use the structure. All right, so this is the daily. So, do you see this trend line here? Don't buy that. Don't buy that until that trend line is broken. Because the reason why is because that's your friction point. That's a friction point. So, if you want explosive moves, get in at try to find friction points in the market. All right, so that's the daily time frame, and that's probably all I need. Then you got this structure right up in here. I would try to stick with the trend on this. Honestly. Dot Brax, I would honestly try to stick with the trend. It might come pulling back just to I'm trying to see would it come. Nah, I don't know about that one. I think you want to wait on this until it makes a decision in this area. This is your area where you're going to make a decision at. If you was to sell it, I wouldn't be mad at you if you sold it. I wouldn't be mad. Hold on. Yeah, I wouldn't be mad if you sold this right now. This Bitcoin. It's not even a bad idea, but you might have some withdrawal because price is gonna want to play with that 50. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. Dot Brats. Price is gonna want to play with that 50, but we so far overbought, overextended in the buy zone area. By the way, team, GBP odd is breaking out. GBP odd is breaking out for the sell zone. GBP odd and GBPJPY. So that's what I'm looking for with that. But if you took the sell on this right now, you could justify it, definitely. Dot Brax, you could justify the sell, but be careful if you get into some drawdown. I would, if you was to sell this right now, I would take a half percent. I would take a 0.5%. Let me pull out a fib on this. GBP all is breaking out the bottom zone, team. So look at this. So now you got a fib level. Yeah, you got a fib level right in this structure. You see that golden zone dot Brex? See that golden zone right there? So I'm definitely like, you know what? The golden zone mixed with the structure level, that's high up there. That's why you see it wicking out up there, because that's a strong zone up there. And then pull the fib down right up in here. And now you got a zone right here. Golden zone right here. And this is how I use the fibs. So that's why I say if you was to sell right there, dot Brax, it makes sense. I guess you can justify that. But just be careful, if price break through it, we could be coming up here, testing this area right up in here. And that's going to be a big decision point somewhere right up in this area right here. Because that's the next point. It got to make another point on the trend line. Because like you see how I'm making the points on the trend line? You got 1 point, 2 point. And you can just count the Elliott waves if you want to. But you see how it's making the points on the trend line? It's going to keep making those points. So we waiting for another push to the trend line. I don't know where it's going to happen, but as long as you know your structure, as long as you know where your zones are along the way, you will be fine. All right? You will be fine. So that's it. I hope that answered your question, what I'm looking at far as the Bitcoin. What is GBPJPY doing, y'all? So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPJPY. 4-hour chart breaking the trend line. Oh, yeah, no problem, Dot. I appreciate you, brother. All right, so, team, when y'all trading, we got to start looking at the time. So now we got to start, it's 3:17. Time is going by pretty fast this morning. London has just begun. So now we got to start thinking like, okay, is London gonna like reverse? Is London gonna reverse the GBPs? From entry, 8 pips from entry. It dropped 8 pips for us from the entry. What time, Jared Liverpool, what time is the news, the Brexit announcement? What time is the news? So Mary, you got in on the GJ sale and took profit. Let me check my news. Let me check my news, cause I looked and I didn't see any news. In 1 hour, we got a public sector net borrowing. That's all I see for news. I don't see any high impact news for GBP odd. I mean, JPY or Great Britain pound. I don't see any news. I don't see any high impact news. So let me know if I'm wrong. Yeah, Anthony Figueroa. I use my FX book, and I use FX Street. Forex Factory. I use Forex Factory too. So we got price holding at the trend line, at the 4 hour trend line. Let me pull up my Bollinger Bands. Let me see. Maybe I can catch a reverse on this. I'm just looking through these here. Um, no, I had adjusted my trend line because on my other screen it was at a different spot, so I just adjusted it to where it was on my other screen. It was let me go back to the 30 minute. It was right here. So that's the go back to the 4 hour. That's that channel we marked up, and it's holding. That channel is holding strong. That channel is holding. Um, told Mula said told you to buy. Um, it's nothing really buying right now. Nothing is really buying right now. I mean, you know what I mean? The overall trend is up, but nothing is really buying. Like nothing is like it's not really. I mean, the only thing that's telling you to buy is that this is an uptrend. It's not really just shooting up. So I don't know what you mean. I mean, go ahead and buy it. If you like it, Mula, just buy it. You know what I'm saying? Make your money. You got to understand, I'm not using no EMAs. I'm not using no exponential moving averages. I don't trade like that. I got my own trading style and I stick to it regardless. You feel me? So you see it dropping now? I mean, what your EMAs is telling you now. You know? I'm just saying, like, all respect. Like, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and buy it. But I'm just trying to stick to my trading plan, what I know. That's all. That's all I'm saying. It's all love, baby. But you gotta stick to your rules. If your EMAs tell you to buy, go ahead and buy it then. You know? All right, we TP. We almost there. I think I'm just gonna take profit, man. Hey, Wani, Jeremiah, don't do Mueller like that. Don't do her like that. You don't say which. No. Don't no. We all love here. We all love here. Don't do Mueller like that. Don't do her like that. She's still learning too. I just don't trade like that. Hey, I'm counting that as a TP. I'm counting that as a TP. What y'all think? Y'all think that that's TP? Yup. Hit the TP. TP now. You wanna keep it? Y'all wanna hold it? Come on. Hold on, baby. We trying to get paid. O'Brien said, take it. Hey, man. How many? That's like 14 pips, man. 13 pips? Man, give me this TP. Because, look, the trend is up. TP. Don't forget that this is an uptrend. We just trying to just get in and get out. I think we should take profit, y'all. Target hit. Hey, Pudge beats. I need some beats, y'all. I need some beats. Pudge beats said target hit. TP. Michael Cooper said no. I'm confused. What y'all want me to do? Man, y'all got me spinning my wheels. Man, y'all funny. Y'all funny. I be having fun. I can't wait to meet y'all. I think it's TP, man, cause the trend is up. I feel like that it's gonna drop though. I really feel like it's gonna drop. But the trend is up though. We already know when the trend is up. We gotta be careful. So I'm like, since the trend is up still, we should just get in and get out. Okay, Mary. Yup. Mary right. Mary said close partial. Close partial. That's right, Mary. That's right. Now, I ain't gonna lie, team. I'm not gonna lie. I grew my account by taking profit. Just like that. You see how I wait patient for the trade setups and then boom, it goes there. I built my account up by taking profit. 12 pips, 15 pips. You know what I'm saying? That's how I grew my account, by just taking profit. And I did that over and over and over and over. Yeah. Hollywood John, yeah. I'm saying let's take profit when it was down there because the trend is up. Now, once it breaks and retests, then we can get in and hold it. That's what my thinking is. Like for an example, if I'm saying take profit, y'all. I'm saying like let's take profit somewhere up in here. Let's take profit, and then if it decides to break and then retest our area, then let's hold it. Then let's go up in that boy. You feel me? So I'm thinking let's take profit, y'all. Let's take profit and be safe. Let's be safe. Take profit, y'all. It hit the green line. Take the money. Take the money. TP. Let's go. Hey, can y'all please can I get a subscriber? Can I get 5 subscribers? Did we not kill this? Now, did we not look, if you take profit, do not jump back in. Do not get back in. Do not get back in this trade if you took profit. Do not get back in. If you holding, move the stop loss in profit. Move the stop loss in profit. GBP all dropping too. 30 pips. That's what I'm saying. That's all we keep doing. That's all we doing. Team, it was a simple trade. It was a simple trade. That's all. We got to get back to work. We only as good as our last trade. So don't get too hyped up. Stay calm. Don't get too hyped. But can I get a TP if you made some money? Hey, go. Hey, team, go back to gold. Go back to gold. Go back to gold. It's at our little area. We might get a drop off, team. Look at gold. Oh, look at all of this money in the chat. Look at all this money in the chat, team. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Oh, y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know what time it is.
Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all made some money. Let's go.
Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. TP. Let's look at the chart. Hold on. Let's get back to the money. Let's get back to the money, team. Now look at gold. I'm thinking we got a sell opportunity coming up for gold, y'all. What y'all think? I think we got a sell opportunity. I think we got a sell opportunity. Hey, Spectre, thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the donation. Thank you for the donation. Thank you. Hey, share the video, like it. Hey, help a brother out. All right. You want mentorship? There you go. Get your mentorship if you need it. I'll be happy to help you. All right. Now let's go back to let's go back and look at GJ dropping like crazy. I'm telling you. Oh my God, look at the money. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, Scepter, for that. Thank you. So definitely, team. Hey, we do this Monday through Thursday. Monday through Thursday. Now, unfortunately, I won't be live tomorrow, so I won't be able to call out any trades. I won't be able to call out any trades for you guys. I will only be trading with the team from Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm with the team, and only on Tuesdays I'm with you guys. So I try to make these Tuesdays count with you all. But I'm glad I was able to help you guys. Tap BLVD tap outs if you want to join the team. There's the link right there. If you want to join the team, the link is right there. Go to teamtakeprofits.net. If you want the mentorship right here. All right, let's get back to the money. Yeah, I would say if you're a day trader, just go ahead and take profit now. Let me see where is it going to? Okay, now we got to zoom out. Let's zoom out. Basically, that's what we just caught right there. That's what we just caught. That 1 hour candle just broke through. So now what we're looking for is for it to hold at this area, and then once it retests later on today, we can catch the sale going back down. We can catch the sale going back down. And you see that nice little double top, the little nice little M? Do y'all see that? Y'all see the nice little M? And it made a lower high. So the reason why I want to do these lives, team, is because everything is already moving. We're good to go. We're good to go. So let me just go let me highlight you real quick. The reason why I do these lives is because, you know, it's a lot of people faking my name on Instagram. It's a lot of people stealing people's money, but they won't show their face. You know, they won't show their face. They want to manage your money. Hey, send me some money through Bitcoin. I trade for you, and then you can withdraw. And then as soon as you try to withdraw, then they talking about you got to pay a fee to get your money. You got to pay a fee to get your money? Where they do that at? So I wanted to do these lives at least once a week. And if this is successful and I can maintain this, then maybe we can do a couple times a week. But right now we just only doing one time a week. But I wanted to show my face, you know what I'm saying? I want to make myself known to you guys that I'm here trying to help. I'm here trying to help. So all the scammers, they not going to show their face. But your boy Jay Wayne, I'm gonna show my face because I'm really trying to build an empire. I'm really trying to build a successful business. I'm really trying to be honest and have integrity with you guys. So that's the whole purpose of me doing this, you know. And then maybe if you want to grow as a trader, if you want to know all my secrets, then join the team. You know, that's all you have to do. Join the team, and how I trade and everything, you will get all my secrets. So that's why I'm doing these lives. All right. I feel like doing these lives is the next step that I need to do for my YouTube family. Y'all feel me on that? That's just what I feel like. Now, real talk. I'm gonna go back to the charts in 1 second, but like a year ago, I couldn't do no YouTube lives. I couldn't even train anybody. But I just kept learning and learning and learning, and you know, I'm really comfortable with the way I trade. Somebody might tell me it's a buy, it's a buy. Look at this, look at that moving average, and I'm like, that's not the way I trade, you know. So I'm comfortable with the way I trade now. And me and the team, we don't lose much. We do not lose much. We find our spots. We like a sniper. Bow. In and out. Get our money. We off it. Going back to bed, start our day or whatever. So let's get back to the money, team. Hey, Francis said that I'm the first one doing London, because don't nobody want to wake up early. I'm built for this. I'm built for this. I'm built for this. With the help of the Lord, though. I'm only built for this with the help of the Lord. That's it. If it wasn't for God, I wouldn't even be here. If it wasn't for God, I wouldn't even be able to do any of this, team. So pray for me. Please pray for me. Let's look at gold. It's no need to look at GJ no more. Let's look at gold. It's no need to look at GJ. I'm about to post the link. I'm posting the link right now, team. If you want to join or whatever, I'm posting the link. Man, I'm telling you, like, I'm just here trying to help and empower people. That's all. Yeah, I'm still a member of IML. IML taught me everything I know. This is not MT4. This is TradingView. This is TradingView. This is not MT4. I hate MT4. I hate MT4. This is TradingView. I mean, later on, you might be able to catch a move on gold, because it's coming back into the structure. I'm thinking we can sell gold. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm not telling nobody to do nothing. You trade at your own risk. I'm just giving you a trade idea. Like, look at that structure. Like, do you see this? Are y'all seeing this? Do y'all see this? I don't know if GJ gonna drop more, but we already took profit on that. We done with GJ. Takeem Thompson just joined the team. Where you at in the chat? Takia Thompson just joined the team. Let's go. Somebody ready to change their life. Somebody ready to change their life. Soon as we get done with this, I'm gonna get you set up, and I'm gonna get you in. I'm gonna plug you into the team and everything, into the trading view, and the Telegram group, and we'll be good. This is the 30-minute time frame, team. Nelsie. Let's go, Henry. You welcome to join the team. But yeah, so let's look at this. Now look at this. This is let me take these indicators off. Look at this trend line right here. Come all from up here. So I got that one there. It made a lower low from here. So let me put that there. So I'm going to put that trend line there. And now let me put this one. If we break this inner trend line, it's going to test that other one. Y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Okay, so Najib said, if I join, how does it work? So if you join the team, you basically, I'm gonna give you an onboarding process. I'm gonna give you all the links to get into the team in the Telegram, and study all my trainings, all my private team trainings, and then I'm gonna give you access to all my trades that I take. And that's pretty much it. I keep it super simple. It's not an elaborate process at all. I give you all the links, and you'll be making money. Potentially making money. Stacy, let's go. Stacy, I'm here to help you. It's okay. It's enough room for everybody to eat. So look, team, all I'm saying is this. If we break this area right here and break this trend line, if it breaks this trend line, it's going to want to test this outer trend line. Do y'all follow me on that? It's going to want to break that outer trend line. If it breaks the inner one, it's going to test the outer one. I'm not trading no 5-minute. Absolutely not. Fade TV, I'm platinum 2000. I'm close to platinum 2000. I fluctuate between platinum 2000 or whatever and 1000. One week I'm 2000, the other week I'm back down to 1000, but pretty much I've been holding that platinum 2000. This is okay, so let me see. Neo said, what do I see in the highlighted region? What do I see in the highlighted region? What I see is structure. What I see is structure. All right? That's what I see. I see structure. Can you see it? Can you see that structure, Neo? I see structure. Yeah, T.O. Kennedy, I can teach you the matrix. I don't know no matrix. This is not no matrix. I don't want to think of this as no matrix. I try to keep this simple. I want my trading to be simple. This is not no Matrix. Oh man. Yeah, no, let's keep this trading simple. We don't want to be into no Matrix. We're gonna get confused like a mug. What's his name? Tap outs. He said he want me to explain. So I see structure. I mean, you see price holding at this area. This is a level of structure where price is holding. Support and resistance level. It's a support and resistance level. So if gold break through here, then it could possibly sail off this trend line. Gold could sell off the trend line. Or if it breaks the trend line, look for a retest and it's going to test the outer trend line. Try to keep it simple. I don't care about giving away the game. The game has been hidden for too long. How many can feel me on that? The game of trading has been hidden for too long. It's time for somebody to expose it. Time for somebody to expose the game. Neo, if you want to know the price, just click the link I just posted. Click the link. Go to the website. Yeah, I'm giving away. It's like look y'all. The rich keep getting richer and we keep getting poorer. I'm tired of being poor, and I'm tired of my people being poor. Everybody that's on here, everybody, I'm shouting out everybody. Big G Dub, So Cashed Out, Glenn Gray, shout out Richie, BLVD Boulevard Tap Outs, Dan, Malik Griffin, Supreme Mikey. Let's go. Team Take Profits, let's go. Emmanuel, look, y'all on here sacrificing sleep with me. I'm not even nothing special. I ain't nothing special. I'm just trying to walk in the will of God. And y'all on here sacrificing y'all sleep. Y'all sacrificing y'all sleep with me. Right now, I'm in my time zone, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Everybody around me, everybody in my neighborhood is asleep. I'm up in here grinding, trying to change my life. I'm tired of going to the factory working. Back hurting. Feet hurting. My knees was hurting. I remember in the factory, I had to pull like a little lug thing. Like I had to pull like a whole bunch of boxes and different things with car parts on it. And I had to go like up hills and different things like that. Man, my knees was killing me. But they did not understand that. They did not care at all. And guess what, team? Guess what? I had to get my wisdom teeth pulled. And I said, I need about 3 to 4 days off because I had to get surgery. And they said, that's fine. We'll give you 3 or 4, we'll give you your days off. Just come back in and you good to go. When I came back to work, they fired me. You know what I did? I was sitting right here in my chair. I was sitting across from the lady, and she said, we got to let you go. Tears start crumbling down my face. I started crying in front of that lady, hoping that she would feel my pain. I had a wife and a son. All right? And I'm up in here crying. Like, come on, like, can we do something? Like, I take a dollar pay cut if that means keeping my job. They did not care. They said, you got to go. And I said, wow, y'all told me that I could get 3 days off for my surgery. And then I come back to work and they let me go. Do you see why I'm up at 4 o'clock trading? Do you see why I'm taking profits, 15, 20 pips, compounding my money? Do you see why I'm trading studying Forex 3 and 4 hours a day? Because I'm never going back there. I'm never doing that again. And so that's what I'm saying. I'm looking at this chat right now. I'm looking at all of this chat, and every last one of y'all, Emmanuel, Brian Guy, everybody, Roz, all y'all woke with me. That means y'all grinding. So I'm here for y'all. If y'all woke trading with me, I got you. I got you. I'm going to give you my best because y'all woke trying to change your life. Because I promise you, wherever y'all at, people ain't even doing what y'all doing. People scared to do this, but y'all stepping out. And the fact that y'all stepping out and the fact that y'all got y'all mindset together to take a risk, the fact that y'all ready to do this, y'all trying to wake up for London with me, y'all trust me, I'm going to give you my best every time. I'm going to give you my best. I'm not saying that I'm going to be perfect, but I'm going to give you my best every single time because I know the grind and the sacrifice and the effort y'all putting in. That's enough for all that. I'm just saying, man, I got mad real quick, man. I got hyped up real quick. Let me chill. I'm telling you, man, these jobs don't care nothing about you, man. They'll let you go in a second, man. Ooh, I get tired of that. Y'all just don't even know what I've been through, man. Y'all don't even know how hard it was for me. All right, so what we looking at? I think we done trading, team. I think we can go on ahead to bed. I think we're going to call it a wrap, team. What y'all think? I think we can call it a wrap for tonight. Everything did what we wanted it to do. We made money. I think that's it. I think that's it. Harmonic scanner called that drop on the 15-minute chart. No, I don't Emmanuel Magner, I don't Manger, Emmanuel, I don't trade EUR USD. It's highly manipulated. It's highly manipulated. So I don't trade that. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. So you can catch the retest on GJ. I'm not. I'm going to bed and I want to just go back to bed and do my thing and focus on getting my son up for school and everything in the morning and do all of that stuff. I got some meetings tomorrow, so I'm not going to catch the If I happen to see it, then I'll sell it. If it comes back and retest this area, I will if I happen to catch it, but I'm not going to stress over it. I only have 1 or 2 trades a day, and that's it. And I don't force nothing else. Look at gold. Look at gold real quick, and then we're going to shut it down. Last thing I want to tell you is that I really think gold is going to reject in this area. I really think gold is going to reject somewhere up in this area. So be on the lookout for that. Screenshot this if you want. Go ahead and screenshot that so you can know how to trade this later on. All right. So definitely screenshot that. And I'm going to put the levels on here as well. So you can see the numbers. Those are the numbers. So go ahead and screenshot that because this is something that I'm going to look at trading with the team. We definitely going to be getting into that. Either way, buy or sell, we will be getting into that gold. You will see. You will see when I post a video. I'm gonna be like, all right, update on gold, y'all. We made money. So we caught the buy or we caught the sell. So yeah, so we're gonna shut it down, team. We're gonna shut it down for now. Same time next week, 2 a.m. next week, we will get on here again, and hopefully we can make some money. You feel me? Last thing, if you want to join the mentorship right here, go ahead. I'm here to help you. If not, that's fine. See you here next week, team. I'll be happy to help you. And hey, I'll be sending out another video this Saturday. All right. So you already know. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.
50 pips a day, watch the money drip.